Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the parts. Clean and dry both threads thoroughly so the adhesive bonds properly. Once done, check fitment to confirm alignment and accessibility. This prevents trapped parts later. Apply primer only if manufacturer recommends it. Primer improves bonding on plated or passive metals. Use a single drop per thread or a fine brush for small parts. Avoid overapplication because excess can squeeze out. Make sure you work in a ventilated area and have gloves ready to protect your skin. You now apply the blue thread lock. Dispense one drop or a small bead onto the male threads, focusing on the first few coils where stress is highest. Once applied, assemble the parts immediately and run them together by hand so the adhesive spreads evenly. Then torque to the specified value to ensure proper preload. If excess squeezes out, wipe it away with solvent before it cures. Keep in mind that blue thread lock is removable with hand tools after full cure, which usually completes within 24 hours. You finish by letting the assembly cure at room temperature. Strength builds in minutes, but full cure is typically 24 hours. Avoid heavy load until then. If you need to disassemble, heat the joint or use penetrating oil and the correct size tool to break the bond safely. If the fastener still won't hold, make sure threads were truly clean, reapply primer or thread locker, and retorque to spec. If leakage or contamination occurred, remove adhesive and start over for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.